Understanding, change the subject. A guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a commonly used English phrase, change the subject. This phrase is not only useful in everyday conversations but also a great example of how English speakers use language in social contexts. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master this phrase. Change the subject is a phrase used when someone wants to shift the conversation to a different topic. This is often done because the current topic might be uncomfortable, boring, or simply because there is a desire to talk about something else. It's a social tool used to steer conversations in a direction that is more preferable or appropriate. You can use change the subject in various situations. To avoid uncomfortable topics. If a conversation is heading towards a topic you're not comfortable discussing, saying, "Let's change the subject," is a polite way to move on. To bring in new topics. When a conversation is losing steam or you have something interesting to share, you can use this phrase to introduce a new topic. In social settings, it's a helpful phrase in group conversations to ensure everyone is engaged and comfortable. To use it, simply say, "Can we change the subject?" or "I'd prefer to talk about something else." Let's look at some examples. 1. In a social gathering, "I noticed we've been talking a lot about work. Let's change the subject. How was everyone's vacation?" 2. In a sensitive situation, "This topic seems to be making everyone a bit uneasy. Can we change the subject?" 3. To introduce something new. "Speaking of movies, let's change the subject to the new movie release. Has anyone seen it?" Change the subject is a versatile and useful phrase in English. It helps in navigating conversations smoothly and maintaining a comfortable atmosphere for everyone involved. Remember, the way you change the subject can be as important as the reason for changing it. Be polite and considerate of others' feelings. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.